we see as new technologies roll out, whether they be variable rate applications or whether they be a harvesting technology in the case of cane sugar or cotton. The first adopters are often the cooperative that can afford to make those technology adaptations and then allow their producers to use the technology, until which time it's either proven or costs come down or scale increases such that individual producers can make those investments. So machinery sharing generally has been something that has happened over time and through collective action through cooperatives. I think it's especially important again as AI becomes more important, and the compatibility of hardware and software systems. I do think that we're going to see more